Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find, set, or change your nozzle temp in Bambu Studio. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Bambu application and then go ahead and find your printer. For example, we have the Bambu Lab H2D. So just click on it. Once done, go ahead and go to the left panel. You will have the project filament. Okay. You got to click on the plus sign. And then the filament will be added right here, 1 and 2. So if you want to remove one, just click on delete. And then just go ahead over the settings as there will be, or this will be your system filaments or custom filaments. Okay. Just add them all. Okay. And then click on the 3 dots. Click on edit right here. And there you have it. Here you have your filament settings or options. You have the type, the diameter, prime volume, the temperature, and the nozzle. You could go ahead and enable advanced option as well. So you'll be able to see it right here in the left panel. Okay, the precision, the seam, or whatever. So cooling, setting overrides advanced right here, the notes and multi-filament options. Okay. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.